got jeans on. Look. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because it has been a while since I have done a Halara video. Where are you at, Halara bag? But today is an Halara day and I'm doing all pants, specifically jeans. I do have, for some reason I have two pairs of these leggings. I don't know why I have two pairs, but they're exactly the same. Before I get started, let me start from the beginning. Halara. I love this company. Almost every pair of pants that I wear are from Halara. I love their overalls. I have them in almost every color. I wanted to try their jeans. The jeans that don't feel like jeans, they feel like leggings because they're stretchy and they're soft. Now, I'm a little nervous because I'm short. I'm 5'3", and I got some flouncy pouncy pants. I wanted to give some flouncy pouncy a try, so I'm always a little nervous about the flouncy pouncy. But Halara jeans are so comfortable. I have one pair that are a skinny jean. I can't remember. I think I did get another pair that is a skinny jean, but the fabric content is so wonderful and they are size inclusive. So make sure that you go over to halara.com and check them out. And better yet, you can use my code. It is in the description. All you got to do is type in Misty15 though, but I will link them all in the description. All right, I'm going to show you what I got and then we're going to go over to the mirror and we're going to try them all on. So their leggings are fantastic. They're buttery soft. They are affordable. They are just along the lines of a Lululemon, but at half the price. So they have nice little Halara branding there on the back. I don't know if you branding sticker snobs need to have the branding on there. These are a 1X. And I have a lot of black leggings, but I wanted to get some blue. These are like a smoky blue, I guess you could say. They do have pockets. Now, there are some leggings on Halara that do not have pockets, so make sure that when you are ordering them that you want pockets, that you make sure that they do have pockets. But these are both 1Xs, and I have two of them. So I will keep one, and I probably will give the other one to my daughter, but we will try them on. They are buttery, soft, size 1X. Love them. Everything else are pants, basically jeans. But like I said, some of them are flouncy pouncy. And I will put up on the screen the name and the picture of the item, and everything that I'm showing you today will be linked down in the description below. So these are a boot cut jeans. Do you remember back in the early 2000s when everybody had on boot cut jeans? I wore boot cut jeans all the time. And you see someone with skinny jeans on and you're like, they need to change their pants because their pants are too tight. But times have changed. But now we've gone back to the boot cut jeans. So these are great. They do have a button and zipper, and they are stretchy. They are stretchy at the waist. So these are, what size are you? These are a size extra large, and they are a boot cut. So we will try those on. I'm always nervous about pants. I'm just going to tell you, I'm nervous about pants. I'm hoping that they all fit. I wanted to say too that the pants do come in, the jeans do come in multiple different shades of blue. So you can decide which one that you like the best. And everything that I am linking will be the shade that I am trying on. These next ones are also a size extra large. They are an elastic waist, which is nice. They're also a big boot cut. This is a little bit more of a bell cut, which I'm nervous about because I'm short. So I'm nervous that they're gonna be too long, but we'll try them on and see. These are a skinny, stretchy, look at that. They're like leggings. These do have buttons. Oh, these are 3-button, like a button fly. So they do have jeans that do have the zipper and the buttons, and they have some that just pull over. But they all have these side pockets and the butt pockets. And these are a skinny jean. They feel like a legging. They do not feel like denim, but they look like denim. All right, these next two pair I think are flouncy pouncy. I think these are also an extra large, and they are like a big wide leg, like a light wash jean. I don't know that I would consider these denim, but you can see they do have like that nice denim look to them, but they are stretchy and they look a little big. But I say that that they look a little big and then I try them on and they're too small. So we'll see. I don't want to jinx myself. And then this next pair, big, wide leg. And these are also the nice elastic waist. Let's go try them on. Like I said, I am a little nervous because I'm short and I don't know how they're going to fit. I'm also a little nervous because they are an extra large and I've gone from a 1X to an extra large. So hopefully they'll fit me. Let's go over to the mirror and let's find out. Okay, the first one that I have on are the leggings and they feel like butter. They are so freaking soft and so silky and they fit like a dream. They are high-waisted, which is really, really nice. And they've got pockets on each side. So you can put your keys, your phone. So that is fantastic. I love the way that they feel. Well, they're very form-fitting, but that waist really kind of cinches you in a little bit. So highly recommend. I'm probably going to need to get these in black because, I mean, they're blue, but they're a darker blue. So I could see myself wearing these maybe with a sweatshirt or something, but I'm a black leggings girl. I love my black leggings. All right, let's try on the jeans. The start of the jeans, which I'm a little nervous about, but we're going to do this together. Okay. All right, I really do like these. These are the very first ones that I showed you that were just a little on the wide leg side, but not like totally, but they fit perfect in the length. I don't have any shoes on with them right now, but once I do, we'll be good. We've got pockets on the sides, pockets in the back. I did tuck this shirt in just so you could see the waist. These are not a high waist. They are a mid-waist jean. They do have belt loops for a belt. They are stretchy. So these are the flex. They consider them like the flex wear and they are stretchy. So you know, when you have jeans on all day long and it gets towards the end of the day, you can't wait to take those suckers off. But these are stretchy. So you got plenty of room to fill your belly. And then, you know, your jeans will stretch out for the rest of your afternoon as well. So I do like these. And like I said, all of the jeans do come in multiple different shades of blue and some in black as well. So they're great for the fall. I like them. I'm happy. And these are an extra large. They're very true to size, but we'll see if the wide leg ones are going to work on me. I don't know. All right, this next pair is they're just a little bit long. They are nice and high-waisted, which is great. They got a nice thick elastic band that goes around your waist, so you do feel like it's holding you in a little bit. We've got pockets in the sides, pockets in the back. It's that flexy, stretchy material. They feel like you're wearing leggings or even like pajama pants, you know, so you got lots of room to stretch out. I think I don't have any shoes on right now, but I think if I had a shoe with a little bit of a heel, that would make all of the difference in the world. Yeah, I'm used to being short, and the days of wearing bootcut jeans, they'd always get frayed at the end, which was kind of the style if you wore them with your Doc Martens. Do you remember the days of Doc Martens? Maybe those will come back. I don't know, but I do like these. I'm pleasantly surprised because I was very, very nervous that they were going to be entirely too long. These are a size extra large, and they are also linked in the description. All right, these next ones are the ones that are also high-waisted. They have the 3-button, like the button fly. They're also the Halara Flex, so they're stretchy. Look at me, I got jeans on. Look. Here's my exercise for the day. But these are really comfortable as well. They are more of the skinny jean. So you have a tapered leg, which is great if you're wearing boots because your boots just gonna go on over your pants. I don't know, are boots even gonna be a thing? Like, you know, the boots that you wear with your skinny jeans, is that even gonna be a thing this year? I don't know, but I like these too. And I can't stop explaining to you how soft they are. They're like wearing leggings, but you still have the beauty to be able to wear them with a belt. You can zip and button, and they're high-waisted, which is a really good point. All right, we're getting into the big flouncy pouncy ones. So we'll see how those are gonna work. These are also a size extra large, and they are linked in the description. All right, next I have the light, I guess they're kind of like a light wash. And I was so nervous about these because one, I was nervous that they were gonna be too small because they're just an extra large, but actually I think I probably could have maybe gone down a size. I will say because they are a little bit more stretchy, you might wanna size down on the Flex, Halara Flex jeans because they do stretch. And so, you know, sometimes if you wear a pair of pants and they stretch up by the end of the day, you know, they're stretched out. So these are, they have the pockets in the back, pockets in the side, the nice belt loops. They button and zip. They are a light wash denim. I got my shirt tucked all the way in just to be able to show it to you a little bit more easier. They are a wide leg. Again, they are just a little long on me because I'm short-legged. But like I said, if I wear a shoe with a little bit of a heel, even a tennis shoe, I think that these would be absolutely perfect and fine, and just something a little bit different than all of the skinny legged jeans that I have. All right, we have one more pair that are pretty wide legged at the bottom, and they're in a darker color. Again, size extra large, and they do have them in multiple different shades of blue. I think the 90s called because I got on with this last pair. They fit me pretty good, and I did put on a pair of boots with a little bit of a heel. So they drag the floor a little bit, which I'm used to because I'm short, but I do like them. I feel like that I'm stepping back into the 90s again, into the grunge era with my flannel. They are very stretchy, and they've got this nice wide band at the top of the waist to kind of make you feel like you're being hugged a little bit, which I like. We got pockets in the front, pockets in the back, so we're covered in the pocket area. But I really, really like these. Again, size extra large, and they are linked in the description. Let's go over to the desk and let's have our final thoughts. Okay, we're back at the table now. I'm just telling you, I absolutely love Halara. In fact, I didn't hear my normal rep from Halara went to a different department. I was a little nervous that I wasn't going to be able to do some Halara videos again, but thank God they reached out to me again because I love Halara. I love them. You cannot go wrong. I will say that if you like the jeans, go maybe size down because they do run a little bit big. And I think that after you wear them for a little while, they do stretch out. I know the ones that I have, the skinny jeans they're really like, they're not the flexy ones. They're like, they hold you in. They even will, towards the end of the day, will start to be a little bit more bigger than what they were when I first put them on in the morning. The leggings are honestly the best leggings that you will ever own. They have them in all different colors. They also have a lot of tops that you can use for your athleisure. And you can't go wrong with the overalls. They're my favorite. They're my absolute favorite. I have them in every color. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget the link to Halara is down in the description along with everything that I tried on for you. And when you place your order, if you type in the code Misty15, you will save 15% off of your first order. So go check them out on the website. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for a little bit and helping me decide. Well, you went with me on this journey to make sure that these weren't going to be too long and they weren't going to be too small. But we did it. They're going to work. And I'm so excited about it. Thank you to Halara for sending me these items. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.